This is my recent trip to Moab. I just got home today. This right here is the owner of MOAB Motorsport. It used to be Moab 4x Outpost, and this is his recovery vehicle. And as you can see, it is an incredibly capable vehicle, as he does Escalator quite easily here in Moab. The only thing he gets hung up on is my spare tire and my high lift jack that are sticking out of the back. The driver's name is Corey Irish. I'm happy to call him a friend of mine. You can see that he's getting caught up right now with my high lift jack that he was nice enough to pick up off the trail after my spare tire ripped off my dual swing outs in the back. He not only can repair your vehicle, he can not only recover your vehicle, but he can also show you how to make it up things like HELLS Gate, the Escalator, and pretty much any other thing, because this is just something he whipped together over the weekend. This vehicle has 5 winches on it, and he can get you out of any place. So enough of me yapping. Links to his shop, links to his Instagram will be in the description. Watch him go up Escalator in this tow truck, and then watch him turn around and come back down it. All in a day's work. Right here, you can see the cameraman working my 4K camera over to your right. That is Rory from Navtech. And this is DJI Mavic Pro 4K drone footage that I took of the same event. So you're going to see Corey Irish, the owner of MOAB Motorsport, who can, if you take it out to Moab, if it's a Toyota, if it's a Jeep, if it's a Suzuki, he can recover it and he can fix it. He is a world-class driver, spotter, and welder. Now notice he's coming up the escalator and he gets hung up because, like I said, my spare tire, my 37-inch mud grappler and high lift jack are right here. See it? Right over here on the left. He didn't notice it. He doesn't miss a beat. He just backs it up and keeps it moving. How badass is that? Pretty badass to me. Here he comes, here he comes. Notice the tires are nothing special. Leaf springs, 5 jacks, 5 winches, 1 on every direction. And he now owns MOAB Motorsport. I'll leave links to his Instagram as well as his shop in the description. Here's me chatting with Rory Irish about the vehicle.
Yeah, you do it, you do it. When I had the Toyota, it was all stock. And we came down here and we ran, we were running Poison Spider into Golden Spike across and come down Gold Bar Rim. And the truck was running kind of iffy in the morning. I don't know why, but it was having issues. And then we get up onto Poison Spider and it was having trouble climbing the hills. We're going across Golden Spike and we get to, what is that, the launching pad. And we drop down into that and then you come up and it would not climb the hill coming out. And I was like stuck in the bottom. And I'm like, oh crap. So I back up and it backs up fine. So you gotta be kidding me. So I back up, pull up there and it dies. What it was is it's the plenum in the air breather that those Toyotas have. Yeah. It'll fall forward. It's supposed to be vacuum operated, but it'll fall and cut off the flow of air to the motor. Yeah. And it'll sputter out. So I turned around and backed up the launching pad. So fine. I finished that entire trail in reverse. Like we'd run it where we could, but then we got to like the Golden Crack and we're going through that. And I've got pictures of me going through it in my Toyota with the reverse lights on. And I tell everybody, great. I wasn't running the trail backwards. I was backing through it. but yeah, I did 13 miles of trail backwards.
Well, you just did this.
Yeah.
It looked like it was easier steering from the rear going up the hill. And we've got the video to prove it. I mean, that's fucking crazy. It's just crazy.
Like I said, we were out here one time and we were doing something, and my buddy Brady was here, and he's like, well, why don't you back up it? I'm like, huh, I've never done that. I guess I should. He's like, well, that's your signature move, is backing up everything. You might as well.
And this is that exact same move, except we're going to watch it from the sky this time. I have got tons of videos, Land Cruisers, Jeeps, everything all over Moab, all in 4K. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you're planning on heading out to Moab to do some wheeling, make sure you get Rory's phone number. It will be in the description, MOAB Motorsport. If you break down, this is the guy you want to come get you, because I could not believe how easily he did this. He's just sitting there chewing gum, no big deal, driving up and down the escalator in a vehicle he made out of spare parts real quick in his garage. Unbelievable. It just absolutely astounds me. I have a close to $90,000 Land Cruiser, and he's doing this in a $1,200 tow truck he whipped up real quick. Amazing driver, super nice guy, a great dad, and I have no affiliation. He's just a fella that I met a couple of times now. Both times he helped me out, and this time he and his dad, who's driving this white Land Cruiser that's down here, they took me all around Moab and they showed me how to wheel like they do, which was amazing to me. Absolutely amazing. And I can't forget Tory up here. He's also a guide for NavTech. He did a lot of the great camera work that you're seeing right now. At any rate, if you want to see what I did while I was in Moab, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, because there will be plenty more. Richie from Boston for the Jailbreak Overland channel. I am out.